Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In Odoo possible that created same customer reference for same customer. But using this customer reference you cannot create. And if you create same customer reference for same customer, at that time display warning. You can see here our module Dev customer reference warning. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to sales, go to any orders, go to other info and see here this customer reference. And customer is a lumber. I add 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's save. Now I create duplicate. In same customer for add same reference 1, 2, 3, 4 and save. So easily see here display warning for same customer reference. Thank you.